Welcome everybody. In this video I want to show you how you can flip your video or even how you can mirror your video in Adobe Premiere. So what you want to do is go to Effects, right there flip, and you will have it here horizontal flip. Take it, paste it on your video, and voila, it's flipped. Right now I'm left-handed and I was right-handed. And you can also use the vertical flip if you want. It's really up to you. So this is how we do it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me with subscribe, and I hope this video is already 1 minute, because 1 minute is a great thing to do, to have. Yep. Let's close. Thank you and goodbye.